Monday, approximately April 17th. I'm down with the yawl nest that just emptied, and I found the chick, and I'm going to go over and record the chick, and the male parent is hovering around making strange noises. That's what I'm going to go do. Is the father. He has something green in his mouth, but he's reluctant to come over here because I'm too close, I think. The little one is on top of the rock wall, incessantly using the same little screechy tone. He's got downy head. His wings aren't fully developed. Huge baby mouth. Both the parents are around. I don't see them right now. That was the second time I've seen that father. That was the second time I've seen the father bringing food. One other time it was some white stuff about a week ago. Could have been for the mother. This time it was something green, like maybe a grasshopper. I can't see it right now, but I think that's the father going, brr, brr. just thought that was the male. I believe he's calling the chick. Going, brown. I don't see the female. The male is trying to get close enough to the chick to feed it. It's got some white kind of a bug like a big moth in its mouth. Saw me, took off. I think I might be too close again. I don't know what bird this is. It looks like a ash-breasted Sierra Finch with stripes on its belly. Looks like there's a pair of them around. There was one foraging. I see both chicks now. One's across the quebrada, one's over here. They're both silent now. There's a pair of ash-breasted Sierra Finches around. One was foraging right next to the other chick. Hang on. This is the father, more or less taking care of both chicks at once. One is on one side of the quebrada, one's on the other side. He goes over to one, calls, it gets a little bit closer. It looks like he's trying to get them closer together because one's going down in the quebrada now and the other one's following the male. Anyway, they're all getting closer together. At one point, the chicks were about 30 meters apart. Now the father is feeding one behind a bush over there. I can't quite see, but I know it's there. And the other little one's making its way over. It's probably about 20 meters away now. That's perfect. I could see the father come right down, Call the chick over. The chick comes over, bumps into him. The father takes off again. And chick is going like crazy. Can't fly. Walking with his little stubby wings. Over towards where the other little chick is now. They're probably only about 10 meters apart now. The other chick is halfway up the side of the shallow quebrada. And the father and the other chick are moving over towards the other chick. So they'll be all together. Still don't see the female. All of this is in an arc of about 30 meters from the nest, the empty nest. This is Wednesday, April 20th. I'm going to record 2 hungry mouths of the ash-breasted Sierra Finch mystery nest number 2. Just a minute. I don't think that was very loud. That's the parent, about 5 meters away, very worried. That's one of the parents of the ash-breasted Sierra Finch. Hard to hear. There's 2 of them here. This is Monday afternoon around 4 o'clock in my new area. Monday, April, 26th or something. Yeah, it's Monday. I'm up at the head of the valley. All these cactuses. And in the area, I just saw Canastero Chico feed another one. I just saw black-winged Canastero carrying food and going up into one of those open stick nests, rearranging the sticks in the nest. That's all for now. I take that back. That was straight-billed earth creepers feeding each other, but it was the creamy-breasted dark-winged Canastero rearranging the sticks in that open stick nest up in the cactus. I just saw the dark-winged Canastero go in and out of one of those big stick nests with the opening on the side, in and out real quickly. Maybe they live in them when they're not nesting. Oh God, a giant hummer just landed on the cat. That was a female and male yawl, both making the same noise. The strongest noise was the female. She was closest, sitting on top of a cactus. That female is starting to have a yellow beak, but not orange yellow like the male. turn around and look. I think it's a straight-billed earth creeper. The other one sat in front of me and looked at me, and that flapping of wings that just happened was definitely the other straight-billed earth creeper. He's coming up behind me, like sneaking up on me. Definitely a straight-billed earth creeper. He came along behind me to check me out. He's walking along behind me, screeching at me. I turned around and looked up and see him. This is later the same day, Monday. I'm down in the quebrada where I had seen the Tamarulo conebill. I just saw it again. Gray bird, orange supercilium, orange under the chin. I didn't see his vent, but I'm sure it's there. Okay. Just gonna sit here for a while. See what happens. I know the river is gonna drown some of this out. These are swallows, Andean swallows. Up above the quebrada by the bridge, same day, Monday. Trying to figure out why this thing makes so much noise. Wait a second now. Hello. Okay. I cannot see this bird. Recording or not? Okay, is it recording or not? Is it recording or not? Shit. I can't see this bird, but it sounds just like the Cenarius conebill did last March. I'm on the, almost to the base on the road home. All of the previous on this tape was in April, and from now on, it's at least June. I'll tell you tomorrow. Is this recording? It's recording, yes. Okay, this is the afternoon of Monday, July 20th, down in the Quebrada. Was Pataho, Greece, a long time ago. It's a black-winged ground dove. I forgot to mention this is all at dusk, right around 5:30. Pretty sure that was the Pataho breeze. I'm recording this because it's a June Y'all song. That was a male. I can't see who's doing that. Well, there's some yells up there, but I can't tell who's. Bunch of wasted tape tonight. This is Tuesday around 4 o'clock in Magic Valley. In sight, black-winged canasteros, pedicos. May 21st, no, June 21st, 1994. This is 2 or 3 black-headed Sierra Finches squabbling.